Alrighty, folks. Well, we're almost done here with the cook, but I just wanted to again go back and re-advertise this knife. I don't know what it says in Japanese, but this knife is super, super cool. I love the, I call them little doggy biscuits. That's what they look like, little doggy biscuits. But super, super sharp, nice, fancy knife. Good weight to it. Definitely more overkill than what I need for slicing. But what the hell, it's a lot of fun. So anyhow, guys, I really hope you enjoy. Please make sure you check me out on my Temu and check me out on my Amazon as well. I have a lot of stuff on my Amazon store. I'll leave a link in the description for both of them below. Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. All right, today I have here, I bought this at my local discount store. It is a smoked turkey thigh, cured turkey, and that's it. 20% water added. There's no flavor in this thing. It's just smoke. That's it. So in today's video, I want to take this and notch it up a level. So sit back. I hope you enjoy. Alrighty. So first things first, you're going to go ahead and get your smoker fired up. I got it set for 250 degrees. Now today, I'm going to be using one of my Japanese knives here. This thing is really nice. Look at you see this thing, guys. This definitely overkill, but this is a great looking knife. A lot of fun to play with. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to get this plastic off of here. Be careful, this thing is really, really sharp. Get this plastic off of here. That's a lot of water. Get that over here to the side. All right, first thing I want to do is I want to take this skin off, okay? I don't want this skin on there. I want to take that skin off. Yeah, you're going to lose a little bit of meat, but trust me, it's going to be worth it. Try to get it as thin as you can, of course. Now, don't throw it away. I mean, you can use it. You can use this as bacon if you want to. Throw this on your stove. Throw it on your stove like that, man. Cook it up for some turkey bacon. There you go. Yeah. Hey guys, do me a favor. Make sure you check me out on my my Amazon and also on my Temu. You can actually pick up this knife on Temu. I'll leave a link for it in the description below. What's funny is that today I was looking through my little area where I keep all my sauces and stuff like that, and I found this stuff here. It's called Australian style sweet ginger barbecue sauce and marinade. I thought, you know what? Why not? That's got to be good on turkey. So today we're going to put some sweet ginger marinade on there. It has no MSG and no fat, so I like that. It smells good. Probably could have heated it up a little bit. I'm going to use my hands here. Seems like it's going to work better if I put my hands on it. Oh, hey, much, much better. All right, perfect. All covered up. We're going to go ahead and throw this on the smoker. I don't anticipate this being too long. I'm figuring about an hour to an hour and a half at 250 degrees, and we'll see how it comes out. We'll go ahead and throw this on the smoker. Back in a minute. Alrighty, folks, so we've been about an hour on this, and as you can see, it's starting to get nice and firm and looking really good, juicy. Oh, it's going to be really, really good. Like I said, you don't need to cook it. I just want to heat it all the way through and really get that marinade in there and soak it in there really, really good. But we got about another 20 minutes on this, and then we're going to pull it off. We're going to have a slice and see how we did. Oh, yeah. Guys, that is looking fantabulous. I really do like how it's got that nice bark on there now, and it's got that rich flavor from that Australian style sweet ginger barbecue with roasted garlic. Guys, you know me with my garlic. I love my garlic, and this has garlic in it, so definitely going to have a try. All right, let's cut this thing off here. Give ourselves a little, oh, now that's the kind of juices you want right there. Look at that. Now that's the kind of juice you want. That is it right there. All right. Give ourselves a little tasty test. Cheers, everyone. Guys, without a doubt, that's the way to go. I don't remember where I bought that sauce at, but I'll try to find it, and I'll leave a link for it in the description below for you so you can try it out yourself. But this is good. I'm going to slice this down. We're going to make some turkey sandwiches out of it. But until next time, as always, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. And God bless and happy eats.